Singapore this afternoon. I think we're gonna see some massive moves in the coming month here. Yeah, thank you.
Local time is 5:25 in the evening.
Well, that wasn't so bad. Out of all the countries I've been to, I think I like Singapore's airport and their customs the most. They're very kind to me and very easy and quick every time. Whereas every time I go back to Canada and go home, I get grilled. Things I need to do is actually find myself some socks. No, I don't even have socks, but we can't be that far away. I see shoes. That could mean socks. I have a blister from this. I ripped a hole in my sock today. Not enjoyable at all. Socks. Well, Bear socks. You're being retired today. God, that feels a lot better.